and I'm trying to think of a new title for it because I kind of feel like I'm talking about a lunch menu, but yeah, sorry. Whatever. More than just a number on a scale, more than what your outsides can tell, more than who they see out on the street, 'cause you've got something they cannot be. You're special, don't let them tell you otherwise. You're beautiful, don't listen to the hateful lies. Just let your light shine and everything will be alright. You're more than who they see out on the street. You're more than what our outsides can mean. I don't even know the word. We're trying. We're all trying. 'Cause we're special. Won't let you tell us otherwise. We're beautiful and won't listen to your hateful lies. Just let our light shine and everything will be alright. She's got a lot of thoughts on her mind. She has no real reason to be kind.